you doing, man?
Well, we're gonna go look at a couple barracudas.
What the?
Yeah. Add them to the collection, I guess.
One for everybody.
You know,
A CUDA for Jay, a CUDA for Blake, and a CUDA for...
Ty or Jeremy? I don't know.
No, and a CUDA to share between the both of us.
Oh, okay.
Or something.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Anyway. 2 68 Fastback Barracudas right in our backyard that we didn't really know about until recently, and
We just forgot about them.
yeah, forgot about them. They've been there for what, over 20 years?
3 decades.
Yeah.
They've been picked over a little bit, but not, you know, it's not in a full-size junkyard. It's just in, you know, Phil's personal yard and back. So there's quite a bit of usable stuff. So we're gonna go check it out, snap them up, haul it back
Probably not today.
later.
Yeah.
No.
Today's episode is brought to you by Phil's Auto Body, collision specialist. I don't know which one I want. Do I want the one on the right or do I want the one on the left? Damn it. Probably both of them. Yeah, they both got rear ends under them. Good trim, good tail lights, no tail lights. Damn it. Jay's probably gonna want the tail lights. A little crunchy. Hood looks alright. Fender's a little crunched on this one. I'm gonna say the one to build probably gonna be the red one.
Yeah.
That's got a rear end underneath of it.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. I know this one right here is a 7 1/4.
All right.
This one is a...
What's the rally wheels on it, Blake?
Can't tell, the damn gas tank's in the way. 7 1/4.
Is it? Sure.
Yep. The leaf spring supports are... Leaf springs are going to go through the trunk on this one.
Are they?
The rest of the frame looks good up forward of it. There's a hole in the back driver's side floor. Oh, there's a big hole in the frame on the passenger side.
Is there?
Yeah. Oh, and the frame on this side's shot.
Is it?
The K-member. Torsion bar start hanging on the ground from the torsion bar mount.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that bad, huh?
It's terrible.
Okay, well, I mean, I wasn't expecting. I mean, you know, they've been up here a long time. I wasn't expecting anything usable.
Bumper.
You know, yeah, that bumper is in good shape. I mean, it needs to be re-chromed, but
This one looks like it's better.
mm-hmm.
This one's better. You're looking at weeds and dirt with that.
Anyway,
Trunk floor don't look as bad on this one. Yeah, this one's got the better frame.
it does, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
So this is the Barracuda, the red one.
yeah.
This would be the one to build out of the two.
Out of the two, okay. All right, buddy. Well,
But this one might get... I mean, it's got a good trunk. It's got good glass and trim. And all the interior stuff's cool. It's worth getting.
it's got the this. I wonder if it's got this up front too. I'm gonna go check around up front. And the last time I did it was I went around this way. Hmm.
Yeah, I like the red one. I like the red one.
No.
Yeah, I think I can use that grill. It's just kind of punched. The beak just got punched in, but
This one's a 3 on the tree.
oh, right. Oh, it's 3 on the tree.
Yeah.
What is this one then?
This one's gonna snap in half, Chad.
Yeah, and this one's kind of buried in the mud. So I don't know, bud. And the inner fenders on this one's kind of shit. But I mean, you know, like I said, I just want them for bits and pieces more than anything, you know.
Right. How are the fenders up front? I mean, the skin.
Yeah, this one here, they're buckled. This one is. Actually, this front nose is actually this valance or whatever. It's not real bad.
Yeah, this one has black push buttons.
It does, huh?
Yeah.
That's weird, isn't it?
The dash is all just destroyed.
Is it? I suppose. Been sitting in the sun for. Actually, this hood's not real bad. This red one seems a lot solider than mine, I guess. This hood ain't too bad either, is it, Blake?
No.
Man, maybe it's got some crust issues here.
Well, I wish we would have got here 30 years sooner.
Boy, that hood's not coming down. You know, a little circle fish right there. Well, you know, yeah. Anyway, this grill on this one has got usable parts on it.
Smoker window would have to be transplanted from that one over to this one.
This front bumper's not real bad on this one. Of course, it needs to be re-chromed.
Back bumper on the red one shot. Or done.
Is it?
The back bumper on this one's good. It just needs to be
Right. All right. Making my way back through the nettles. Good thing I'm wearing my nettle shorts.
I think the red one could be made into something.
From here, it looks like it could be.
Well, underneath the frame looked way better than the white or green one.
Or whatever color. Yeah, well, we'll see, right? First car was a Yugo.
What? Yeah, you
No. Oh, yeah.
I thought it was a Mustang.
It was a 67 Mustang, yeah.
Somebody had their window open, and when I went to leave Phil's, I hammered on it, and both titles went flying out the window. Is that both of them? Yeah. It got ran over.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, what the hell.
Alright. So once again, the Barracuda stuff flying all over.
Like, share, subscribe.
Hell yeah. Thanks, guys.